Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good at home. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, today we will learn about our body parts. These are our body parts. I have some flashcards for you. But before going to start our session, let's do an activity. Students, listen firstly. Stand together with your friends, with your siblings, and listen carefully. When I will say boys, then all the boys have to jump. And when I will say girls, then all the girls have to jump. But remember, only girls have to jump. Now look at these flashcards of body parts. Eyes. Yes, eyes. Call out the name of each and every body part and give me the answer. What do you do with your body part? Means these are eyes. What do you do with your eyes? You can say, I can see with my eyes. This is a ear. This is an ear. An ear help us to listen the voice, the sound, the music. These are legs. Legs help us to walk. These are fingers. Fingers help us to hold the pencils. This is an arm. These are lips. We have two lips. These are hands, and hands help us to do the work and activities. This is our tongue. Tongue help us to taste the things. Students, after doing this activity, now let's do another activity. And for the activity, we need a rolling dice. And students, I will roll the dice and you have to tell me the number that comes on the upside of the dice. Then after that, I will randomly select any one student from you. You have to give me the answers of my questions. Like, if I will call any one student name, then you have to tell me and call out the name of any body part. Then you have to speak 3 or 4 lines about that particular body part. Like, if you will say eyes, then you have to say, these are my eyes. I have 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes, and the color of my eyes is brown or black, whatever the eyes of your color, and so on. Similarly, with the next student and next body part, if you will say about the legs, these are my legs. I have 2 legs, and the legs help us to walk. Similarly, continue the activity with the next body parts. Now, let's recite the rhyme. The name of the rhyme is body actions. Yes. Mouth, words are said. Yes, do the actions with the help of rhyme. Do the actions. Mouth, words are said. Hair grows on head. Legs. Yes. Again, mouth, words are said. Hair grows on head. Hands, click, clap, click, clap, clip. Nose smells yummy food. Eyes sees everything good. Eyes sees everything good. Ears listen, I am here. Ears listen, I am here. Now students, after reciting this rhyme, revise all the body parts, all the name of our body parts in front of your parents, and also call out the number of the same body part. Now stay connected with your teacher, with your school. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.